Working with music notation in Finale and dealing with LIV files. These are notation files used by the Finale music composition software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access and use these Finale notation files for music composition. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful LIV inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. A LIV file is a legacy document created by early versions of Finale, a professional music notation software. These files contain musical scores, including notes, rests, lyrics, and other compositional markings. Users encounter them when trying to open or convert older sheet music projects to modern formats. This proprietary binary format was designed to store complex musical information efficiently for the hardware of its era. It encapsulates all score elements in a structured but non-human-readable way, ensuring that every detail of the composition is preserved with high fidelity for editing and printing within the Finale ecosystem. It is standard practice to open the LIV format using the designated Finale by MakeMusic Inc. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows offers no interpretation of complex data schemas, so the right application is essential. Your initial diagnostic move: right-click the LIV file and choose Open With. If Finale is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. Remember that different software supports different LIV variants. If you are still having trouble opening the LIV file, do not worry. Your system failed to open the LIV file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, opening in Finale. Install Finale music notation software from finalemusic.com and launch the application. Use File then. Open to load the LIV file. Finale displays the score in its main editing window with full notation editing capabilities, including note entry articulations, playback, and printing tools for creating polished musical scores. Next, converting to MusicXML. Export LIV files to MusicXML format. Using Finale's file, then export, then MusicXML function. MusicXML is the standard interchange format for music notation, enabling sharing with other notation software like Sibelius MuseScore or Dorico. This is essential for collaboration and migration to alternative notation applications. Finally, using MuseScore as alternative. Since Finale was discontinued in 2024, consider migrating to MuseScore, the free open-source notation software from musescore.org. MuseScore can import MusicXML files exported from Finale, providing a free alternative for continued music notation work. The transition preserves most notation elements and offers modern features. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.